Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So the other day I was going through my closet and I realized I haven't been wearing a lot of clothes for whatever reason. So I decided to take all of those clothes and kind of DIY them and revamp them into new trendy pieces. And I decided to share some of them with you. So yeah, keep on watching. So the first item that I decided to revamp was a plain black camisole, which I'm sure everyone has in their wardrobe. So I revamped it into one of those strappy bralettes that everyone's been wearing these days. But I've seen those bralettes online and they're so expensive. So I just decided to DIY it, and it's so easy and so quick as well. For this DIY, you will need a camisole, a pair of scissors, a measuring tape or a scale, and some fabric glue or thread and needle. I started off by measuring the neck of the camisole or the tank top. You want to figure out the center point of the camisole. Now, depending on the length of your straps, you want to measure the half of it. I decided to go with 3 centimeters. You want to do that on both the straps. Now, since we figured out the measurements, these are the 3 points where the straps will be attached. Now, as for the straps, I found an old camisole which doesn't fit me anymore, and I decided to cut the straps off of that. But what you can do is use the same camisole and just cut out a thin strip at the bottom and make those your straps. Once you have your straps, you want to start off by positioning them and understanding where really you want to place them. And once you're done with that, you can either glue it on using fabric glue, or you can stitch it with some thread and a needle like how I did, and that's how simple it is. And yeah, this is what my final product looks like. The second item that I decided to revamp was this really loose grey maxi skirt. It's a really pretty skirt, but it's not my style and I don't see myself wearing it. And it's been over 6 months and I still haven't worn it. So I just decided to revamp it into an off-shoulder dress. I started off by cutting a strip of about 20 centimeters from the bottom of the skirt. By doing this, I have made the maxi skirt into a shorter dress or a midi dress, and this strip of cloth will act as an off-shoulder part of the dress. After you're done cutting the skirt a little shorter, this is what you should be left with. Now you want to start making pleats. There are 2 ways to do this. You can either do it manually and then secure it using a safety pin and finally stitch it up, or you can use the technique that I used in one of my videos to make a fur ball. So basically all you have to do is make really huge stitches and then pull it all at once, which will give you the pleat effect. Now you want to wear the maxi skirt like a tube top, and on top of which you want to place the pleats that we just created. Now once you're happy with the way everything looks, you want to start off by stitching the pleats to the skirt, leaving the area around the arms unstitched. And yeah, that's it. This is what your off-shoulder dress should look like. I felt that my dress was a little bit too loose on me, so I found an old belt and I used it to tie it around my waist. And last but certainly not the least, I decided to DIY my plain old black tee into a vintage lacy top. Now I started off by figuring out the measurements. I know this might look really complicated, but trust me, it really isn't. Now the first thing that you want to figure out is how low you want the cut of the top to be. So I went with 10 centimeters from the center of the shirt. Next, I measured out 7 centimeters from either side of the shoulders. And lastly, 7 centimeters again from either side of the neck of the t-shirt. Now all you have to do is just connect all the points, and this will be the basic outline that you have to cut. To make everything easier, you can take a screenshot of this so that when you will be actually making the t-shirt, you don't have to keep playing the video again and again. So once you've figured out all the measurements, you just want to go ahead and cut it all out. I also decided to cut off the sleeves and make it a sleeveless t-shirt. Now once we're done with all the cutting, you want to go ahead and either stitch off all the raw edges or use fabric glue to kind of secure it. Now with the leftover cloth that we just cut, I cut out 8 little rectangles which we'll use as loops through which the lace will go through. Now according to the length of your neckline, you want to divide that area into 4. These are the 4 spots where the rectangles that we just cut will be stuck using fabric glue, or you can even stitch them on. Lastly, just go ahead and add the lace in a crisscross manner. I personally used a shoelace because I couldn't find a lace. So yeah, that's what the final product looks like. So yeah, that was my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you happen to recreate any of these DIYs, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your recreations. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the little bell which will notify you every time I post a new video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends. Follow me on my social medias, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!